Environment variables are variables that are set outside of the program, usually into the operating system. Environment variables, similar to normal variables, are used within an application and made up of a key and a value. There are certain things that shouldn't be stored in our code. Usually these are configuration settings or access tokens or for APIs such as vonages. If someone with malicious intent gained access, could also then use all of the services you've paid for. Environment variables provide a good solution to this problem. In this video today, we're going to learn to implement environment variables into our Go application. The example you see now sets an environment variable with the key, test and the value 1. We then read that variable from our environment and output it into the terminal as shown. When developing a project, for example, updating your system environment variables can be a bit of a chore, such as your Vonage application ID. We can use .m files for this. In the example you're currently seeing, I've created a file in my project directory called .env and placed a variable in there called test with the value 2. This example uses Joho's go.env package. So if you need it in your terminal, run go get github.com/joho/go.env. Then in the main.go file, remove the setenv line and replace it with the functionality to load in your .env file as shown. When you run your application now, you'll see test has the key of 2 and not 1 as previously shown.